Hi everyone. At Highlights, we hold a vision for a world that's more empathetic and more optimistic. A world where all children can find the resources and have the opportunities they need to grow to become their best selves, curious, creative, caring, and confident. And we also believe that today's kids are well on their way to becoming people who will play key roles in building that better world. Welcome back to Highlights at Home, where the theme for this new collection of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources is celebrating your superpower. We hope that it will help kids see themselves as being equipped with talents and abilities and ideas, superpowers that they can use to make the world a better place. Do you have a child whose superpower might be kindness? Well, you might enjoy working the Hidden Pictures puzzle here together that shows some kids doing some super nice things. You might also enjoy reading the nonfiction we've included in this pack-up, a story of three sisters who raise funds for their local food bank using hot pink yard flamingos. I think we can agree that one of their superpowers is thinking outside of the box. And perhaps you have a superhero at home who is ready to fight climate change. Well, don't miss the article included here that offers 10 steps for parents who want to encourage that interest in their children. Wouldn't it be fun to think of the whole family as superheroes? Urge your kids to assign each family member a superhero name. Maybe they'll choose something fun and funny, and that's okay. Or maybe they will choose a superhero name that plays off each family member's particular strength or passion, which might open up some interesting conversations about what they're thinking and what's important to them. Parents, don't forget to put on your own superhero capes. We know that you are always in there like a superhero, fighting to help your children grow to become their best selves. We hope we're helpful to you in that endeavor. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy and stay hopeful. We'll be back in a few days with some more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.